Hello, welcome to Yonkers Kia. My name is Vincent Apollino, and today I'll be introducing the 2021 Kia Sportage SX Turbo. With the Kia Sportage SX Turbo, you get a redesigned LED headlight. You also get an LED fog light, and you also have your forward collision and your lane keep assist sensor. One of the features that's exclusive to the SX trim is the parking sensors in the front. If you're looking for more power, the SX comes with a 2.0 four-cylinder turbocharged engine that has 237 horsepower. The upgraded 19-inch alloy wheels also let you take advantage of the power of the turbo engine. In the back of the vehicle, you also get LED taillights and rear parking sensors. Another convenient feature on the SX Turbo is the power liftgate that you can operate by pushing the button on the key or simply by walking behind the vehicle, waiting 3 seconds. The car will recognize the key, beep, and open up on its own, like so. The Sportage also has plenty of room for all your needs. It comes with 30 cubic feet of cargo space. If you need more cargo room, you can fold the rear seats down and you get 60 cubic feet. And folding the rear seats down is very easy. All you gotta do is pull this lever and the seat lays flat. In the interior, the car comes fully loaded with comfort and convenience. Some of those features are a heated leather-wrapped steering wheel and ventilated and heated leather seats. If you're looking to charge your phone, you have wireless capability and 2 USB ports. Some of the other features are a panoramic sunroof and power seats for the driver and passenger. This car also comes well equipped with an 8-inch touchscreen, navigation system, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. With this, you can enjoy your music using the premium sound system Harman Kardon. So if you want to find out more about the 2021 Kia Sportage SX Turbo, come on down to Yonkers Kia, where respect is a two-way street.
Command the season and let your adventures begin. Shop YonkersKia.com.